Today is Monday, December 12th. Exciting. Because it's December, of course, right? And closer to Christmas. Today you're going to be doing Chapter 6, Lesson 3, and you're going to be looking at variables and expressions. And we're going to be looking at algebraic expressions. So what's an algebraic expression? Well, an algebraic expression has at least one variable and at least one operation. So let's go ahead and dive right in. We have the first example here where you have 16 plus this variable, which is b. And it's telling you, hey, b, it equals 25. So I do my first step, which is I plug in variables underneath the corresponding, I plug in values underneath the corresponding variable. So here, it says that b equals 25. I plug it underneath. I go ahead and I add. All right, so for this one, I have 16 plus 25. Of course, you can always do this if you like a vertical. Can you close the door over there, please? Sorry, I forgot to do that at the beginning of the video. And then you go ahead and you add, and you get 41. So you would put 41 as your answer. Next, we have, could you put the dimmer thing up higher so we can have lights? Hopefully a little brighter than that. You have x minus y. If x is 64 and y is 27. So you plug underneath. This marker is no bueno. I'm going to plug underneath here. 64 minus 27. Of course, I subtract vertically because it makes life easier. And you borrow straightforward subtraction, right? 14 minus 7 is 7. 5 minus 2 is 3. Your answer is 37. And up here, you have 6 times x when a variable and a number are stuck with each other. It's implying multiplication. You could have parentheses 2. That would also imply multiplication. So here it's 6 times 1/2. I like to use the parentheses because if I put an x, this is what it looks like. And then some people are like, what? What is that? Huh? Oh, that's a multiplication sign. And that's my fancy variable. It's confusing. Let's not do that. Let's just put a parenthesis. You're basically saying what's half of 6 here, right? Which is what?
3.
3. Of course, you could do the whole thing, cross cancel. You'll still get 3. Okay? Next, it says 5t. Look at that, how that t and that plus sign kind of look like each other. That's why I put a little tail here. Plus 4. If the t equals 3, 5 times, because they're stuck to each other, that implies multiplication. Following? Then I'm going to put plus 4. I'm doing, please excuse mom or dad, Adam or Sally, always when I see more than one operation. Which is multiplication, there's one operation. Addition sign, there's 2. Order of operation. Okay? So please, there's parentheses. Obviously, you're going to multiply. Plus multiplication is more important than addition. So I get 15 plus 4 equals 19. Next, I have exponents here. So I have 4, the fraction is 1/8. Raised to the power of 2. Do I have parentheses? Yeah, I put them there. And the exponent is right there. It's 1/8 times what?
2.
No.
1/8.
1/8 times 1/8, which equals?
1/16.
One what?
1/64.
You're multiplying. What does that equal? 1/64, right? So let me take this out. Because now I know what I'm doing. I am doing 1/64. I'm multiplying it. Boom, like that. Take this off so I have more room. Because this is multiplication of fractions, I'm going to put the 4 into fraction. 4, there is no flip, no reciprocal when you are multiplying. You just leave it alone. That's only when you divide, right? So here I'm multiplying it by 1/64, like that. I go ahead and ask myself, how does 4 go into 64 without getting a remainder? if 4 goes into 6 once, you get 2, right? When you subtract, 24. Is there something that times 4 gives you 24?
6.
Oh, so the answer should be 6t, right? And 4 goes into 4 one time. You see what I did there? That GCF was 4. Then I go ahead and I multiply straight across, and I get 1/16. Question? Let's do something a little bit more challenging. Maybe it's not challenging at all to you, I don't know. A equals 1/5, so 10, 1/5. I need an operation symbol, because that just looks weird. What do you think I should put there for the operation symbol? Isaac?
A multiplication sign?
Yeah, and I'm not, usually when I do variables, I don't use the little x. So what could I use? Parentheses would be perfect. Boom, like that. Or the dot, right? So I put a 1 underneath it. Oh, 10 and 5, can I cross cancel here? Yeah. 5 goes into 5 one time. 5 goes into 10 two times. 2/1 is the same thing as
2.
2. Bring this. 2 plus 7 equals 9. And then one more thing I want to teach you. Because tonight, they'll ask you, here's my drawing skills for you people. A little cube. I know, it's fancy. You almost can't take how fancy this is, right? They're going to have a little cube. And of course, the length, the width are all going to be the same. The height and all that good stuff. So 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. Here's my example. And they might say, hey, somebody's wrapping a gift or something. And it says, use this expression. They'll give you the expression, 6s squared. And it says, find the surface area of the box that that person is wrapping, let's say. So for this one, I'm going to plug in the half where I see my variable, which is s. So it'll 6½ squared, like that. Follow? Then I'm going to do my exponents first. So here, I'm going to multiplication, because they're stuck together, so that's multiplication. Now I'm going to do exponents before I multiply, right? Because it's parentheses, exponents. So I'm going to go ahead and do 1/2 times 1/2, which gives me 1/4. Bring everything down. Now I have a 6. Ooh, fraction form. Boom. Now my GCF here is 2. So 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 4 2 times. And then I get 3/2, which is an improper fraction. So you divide. And when you divide, you get, the answer is 1½ Okay. And that is square feet. Let's see if it's wrapping paper.
What if there wasn't a 6? Like,
No,
would
it
your
is, because it's a
answer-
cube. There's 6 sides. There has to be a 6.
Oh.
It's a cube, so 6 sides. Okay? All right. Well, we're going to try some of these. Bye-bye.